Well, a man accused of killing another man who was attempting to break up a bar fight a year ago stood before a judge today.
Jeremy McDaniels was charged with manslaughter. Police say he delivered a fatal punch to Ray Boykin in the head. They say Boykin was trying to stop a brawl between two women. Local 15's Christian Jennings joins us now from the newsroom.
Christian, Ray Boykin's family was in the courtroom today for McDaniels' arraignment.
They were, and you know, Greg, they have a long way to go before this is all over. Nothing will take the Boykin family's pain away. All they can do now is hope for justice.
It's like your soul's ripped out.
23 years ago, Mike Boykin lost his father, but he says the heartache that comes with losing a child doesn't even compare. On October 28th, his son, Ray Boykin, was killed at Club Casino in Mobile.
He's got a 10-year-old son and a 2-year-old, daughter. And his daughter's, even now, I'm surprised, as little as she is, she sees his picture on my office wall and, she, points at it and says, "Daddy."
Police say Boykin was breaking up a fight between two women inside the club when this man, Jeremy McDaniels, punched Boykin in the back of the head. Boykin died almost instantly.
If anybody that knew my son knew he was a good guy, he'd help anybody.
Today, McDaniels pleaded not guilty before Judge Robert Smith. A tough day for the Boykin family because this week is the anniversary of his death.
I think, somebody that, killed somebody, whether they meant to or not, should spend some time behind bars, and at this point that hasn't happened. He's only spent 2 hours.
I don't think it's a criminal act at all. He shouldn't have been indicted, but he was.
Defense Attorney Jeff Dean says there's much to be revealed during the trial.
Well, I'm just saying the victim breaking up a fight is open to interpretation.
And he says his client didn't mean to kill Boykin.
This guy's a real nice guy. He didn't want to go to the club that night.
Whether it was 1 hit or 10, and whether he meant to do it or not, the result's the same. My son's not with us anymore. I'd like to see him spend, at least, a minimum of 5 years, to give him time to think about what he's done and what he's done to a whole family. Our family's not ever going to be the same.
The Boykin family is frustrated, too, with how long it takes to move a case through the court system. McDaniels won't go before a grand jury until March of 2014. Live in the newsroom, Christian Jennings, Local 15 News.